Hi everyone, welcome back on my channel. Dorota Palicka, International Nail Artist and Educator here, and today we are going to play with some transfer foil and create some beautiful necklace. Have a wee preview of it in here. Yeah, different things done with the transfer foils, and I really love transfer foils. I love one stroke and I love freehand painting, and that's what you see a lot in this channel. I hope you will really enjoy this tutorial as well. So let's start. It is like almost necklace look, I really like this color combination. So I'll show you how to do this design. I have prepared 3 tips in here, and on this finger we are going to straight into the light latte color, so it's going to be a plain one. And then on 2 I will show you the designs, and I love this color. I probably will be wearing it a lot in the autumn time on my nails as well. I love nudes, like definitely my favorites, like shades to wear on my nails. Then on this one and this one we will do the design, just so you've got 2 goes on it and you really definitely know how to do it. We are going to use the transfer foil gel. So I'm just applying a small amount of it on the side. And then with the larger brush I'm going to, actually I clean my larger brush first, I'm going to paint a rounded shape. So I'm just cleaning it. And then we are going to paint a circle rounded shape. You could paint it from the bottle as well, really, because we are going to do gold around it as well, so quite difficult to see it because it's clear. So just take your time when painting it and then cook it. So we are curing it 30 seconds. And same on this one. Try to apply it pretty even. Okay, cook it. This one we can put it on the side and do the transfer foil first. So I've got some different flowers. Actually, there's lots of new transfer foil coming up on the website as well, so you can guys look at them and check which ones you like. So I'm just cutting a small piece. And we are going to transfer it on the thumb first. Pick up the part of the design you like the most. So I quite like this part. And then just rub this in. I really like this gel because it gives a beautiful coverage, especially to the transfer foils which have like a patterns in them. It is difficult to do it, but with this transfer foil, it's just transfer absolutely perfect on the place you have applied the gel. So I'm just going to do it exactly the same in here, but I use a different flower this time. And I thought this color goes really well with those light latte one. It's like a dirty pink color. So I'm rubbing it really well so the transfer foil sticks in. And then once I'm sure it is there, I can start pulling it to get a nice coverage. Okay, so we've got the flower pattern here. The next step which we are going to do is to do some rounded rose gold. So I'm just going to pick up a drop more of the gel, and we are going to paint it gold around it. And then on the bottom. It will look absolutely beautiful as well if you would apply a clear gel over it and make it like a true pendant. So I'm sorry guys, I'm trying to do it pretty slowly. Like making sure the shape is nice. And on this one, just if you don't have like gold detail, I'm going to paint straight away the chain. Because not all of you might have those gold details, so I will also show you how to paint it so the light reflects it, okay? And then cook it. And then using the rose gold transfer foil, we will finish the detail. So I'm just picking up a gold transfer foil. And I like playing with those kind of, I would say, elegant looks, because they are not over the top, really nice looking ones. And then the rose gold. If you're really fussy about the design, you can put the top coat over this one first and then buff it and then do the gold, so you get an even cleaner look. I am just going to use a brush to clean the excess of it, but to avoid those kind of thing happening, you will just use the take me old brush. You will just use a drop of the top coat over it and buff it. I'm just going to try to get rid of that. At the same time, I don't want to scrape it the previous one. That's it. Okay, and then this one. So on the top we've got this chain. And now I'm applying the rose gold around it. And actually I will do the clear gel in here so you can guys see it, what kind of designs you can create. Or even a base gel or a top coat. Let's maybe do the base gel because base gel is slightly thicker in the consistency. So I'm just picking up the base gel and apply it to give those 3D look to it. Just so you know, guys, what I mean. Okay, so pretty decent amount. Put it upside down. And then quickly cure it. On this one we will add those gold detail. So I'm using the old brush and a drop of the base to secure them in. Rounded stood. And then this one, because it looks like a chain, and I thought it will be really nice for this design. And then cook it. So here you can see it, we've got this raised look, and it's almost like a 3D. But as I say, the clear gel is best to build it up. Let's apply it top coat. I really love it, like it's so elegant look. So just cover everything with the top coat. Then apply second layer of the light latte. Top coat over here. So normally I don't apply the top coat over the crystals, but I do apply the top coat over the gold studs. And then I can show you all the final look. So the transfer foil looks so pretty. I really love this look. Top coat on this one. And I think I like those kind of nails which looks like a piece of jewels, and they've got those gold, silver accents in them as well. Like, I think they are so elegant, and that's why I like to do them quite often, because they are just awesome. So this one goes in here, this one goes in there. So you've got two options, either with the gold studs or without of gold studs, and a more 3D look or a flatter look. It's so pretty. This one doesn't want to stick. Let's stick, there we are. And then the index finger. The design is actually so rich that even one finger would be a perfect for this design, but that's what we have created. Like a bit of vintage look, I would say as well. But I hope you have really enjoyed watching this tutorial, and sending you lots of glittery hacks, and bye for now.